Well, hello! It's been a while since my last ride video, and I need to tell you that I got myself a brand new helmet. Well, it's not this one yet, because it's the one that I got is Shark D-Skwal 3 first lap red. So I tested that helmet on 2 rides, and it's awesome. The aerodynamics of the helmet is awesome. It's really light, there's no wind buffeting, it's much quieter than this helmet. The reason that I'm riding today with this helmet, my old AGV K3, is that I ran out of the mounts, so I ordered myself the set of mounts so I can install on my helmet, and I need to install the magnetic tape inside the helmet so I can mount my DJI Mic 2. So it's not still it's not ready for the motovlogs, but I went on a few rides and the helmet is awesome. I was even caught in the rain, and it's even quiet even in the rain. So as I was caught in the rain last week, I had to wash my bike, and I cleaned and lubed the chain. I even adjusted it because it was slightly loose, not much, but slightly loose. But anyway, because it's been quite a while since the last ride, here goes a new ride video. I can't wait to make videos in a new helmet because it's really quiet and it's really comfortable, and it's perfect fit. I ordered myself extra large, and it's absolutely perfect fit. The new helmet even has the built-in place for the glasses, and it has already kind of route for the head system if I ever want to have the communicator on my helmet, but it's not necessary because I mostly ride alone, and it's just a new helmet to be more comfortable and quieter during the motovlogs, especially when I have the wind buffeting. I mean, the side swipes, I can't do anything about that. It's gonna have some effect, but the overall, it's very quiet helmet, surprisingly quiet. I got it for 188.95 euros. So for 189 euros, that's awesome. The helmet has built-in sun visor inside that I can lift or lower. It has the, as I said, route for the communicator inside. It has the cut in the cheek pads for the glasses, so it's comfortable. It's very quiet. It has the spoiler on top of the helmet, so for stabilization, and it came with the pin lock 70 in the box, so that's a pretty bargain for a premium brand. So I just wanted to tell you those news, and I want to repeat about my Amazon associate. the day I told you about my Amazon associate page in my last video, immediately had 9 clicks, 0 sales. I have a bit over 2 months left to kind of have 3 qualifying sales. Otherwise I need to they're going to close my store and I need to open a new one, and I will have to use new links in case I don't manage 3 qualifying sales. And that's it. I hate those side swipes so much. I mean, those side swipes will still be here with the new helmet, but it's gonna be much less noticeable. It's gonna be much less noticeable, and the visor closes so well. It's basically airtight, and it has the chin curtain, so it's really good helmet. So as I told you, I'm riding in this helmet today, so I just make a video. Otherwise I would be wearing the D-Skwal 3 because I need the content, so I decided to make a video today. So as I went for a ride, I'm on my way back home, so now I'm making the video because my camera can record about 40-45 minutes at 4K maxed out, 4K 60 maxed out. So because it's not a regular GoPro that I could record, swap the battery and go again. No, my Hero 11 Black Mini really has awesome video footage, but as I told you, its battery lifespan is about 40-45 minutes at 4K maxed out. And for the static footage, I replace it with my S24 Ultra because it overheats so easily. I'm so sorry that my phone stopped recording when I was making the bar ends video, but it is what it is. It's just because of my phone was in direct sunlight, and it was, I think, 33 that day. So the phone was pretty scorching. But luckily it didn't shut down or didn't damage my phone. It just stopped recording. But anyway. And I was surprised today when I woke up. I received a notification. Somebody commented on one of my earliest videos more than 8 years ago. Someone commented today, said I would suggest you a little wider camera angle. And then I had to explain that back then I used SJ Cam SJ4000, which recorded 1080p 30 or 720p 60, no stabilization, because I didn't have money, and I bought myself that. And at some point I started to upscale, so I've been recording 720p 60, and then in the render I rendered as 1080p 60, and the picture quality was actually significantly better. And then I bought myself the SJ4000 Air 4K, but that was nearly the same camera, no stabilization, but there was interesting fact that it was interlacing from 1080p 30 to 4K, but natively recording 1080p 60. So I used it to record and render 1080p 60. And 3 years ago I bought myself my first GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. I used to call GoPro a glitch pro because earlier models were prone to so many glitches. Stopping recording in the middle of the ride, or losing the audio, or recording just audio and there's no picture and stuff like that, or completely corrupted files, or corrupting the SD card, and charging issues, overheating issues, blah blah blah. Those were all really known features, so I called them glitch pro. But after the GoPro Hero 10, they really improved. And then I decided to get myself a first GoPro, and it was 11 Black Mini, because the sensor for recording the video is exactly the same as it was in 11. So I just don't have the ability to swap batteries, and no ability to take pictures, and no GPS. And of course no rear screen. But anyway, I'm so happy with this camera, and I'm thinking about subscribing to GoPro so I can plug my camera to charge, and it will automatically upload to GoPro, so I don't need to transfer to my PC. So when I need to render, I just download it, do my thing, and delete it from my PC, but I still have the footage available anytime I need. And in case I break my camera, I can pay 99 euros and get another one. The same one if they have. If they don't, they upgrade it with the closest they can get. For example, they probably don't have any more the 11 Black Mini, but maybe they have the, for example, refurbished 12. So in case of breaking my camera, maybe I get the 12 for the 400 euros. So I think about subscribing to GoPro, because I will have the discount on mounts immediately, bundles and stuff like that, for up to 10 items. I think that bundles are considered one item. So, and I would be able to have discount on cameras that are over 400 euros, up to 150 euros after renewal. So that's a pretty good deal. The brakes on this bike are insane, really insane.